In this episode, I will teach you how you can update and delete the hyperlink or the URL that you've added to your Google document. So in this file that you can see, you see that under this main website, there is an hyperlink that I have added, which is google.com, right? So let's say I want to update this hyperlink, right, to something else. Let's say facebook.com. So how do I replace this google.com, which is the existing hyperlink, to facebook.com, which is the new hyperlink? So the next thing you want to do is to hover on the text that you've embedded a link into, like this. So once you hover on it, you will see a small pop-up or a modal that comes up, and you will see three icons. The first icon says copy. The next one says edit link, and the third one says remove. So we are going to click on the one that says edit link. Then once you click on it, it shows up this modal. Then you see the text that you embed the hyperlink or the link on, and the actual link at the bottom, like this. So I'm just going to delete this google.com. I'll replace it with www.facebook facebook.com. So once I do that, I'll just click on apply, and this URL has been updated. If I hover on it, the website that this URL will take me to is facebook.com. The initial website that was there is google.com. Now it has changed to facebook.com because we've updated the hyperlink. So the next thing I want to show you is, let's say you want to remove all this hyperlink altogether. How do you remove this hyperlink without deleting the actual text? We have the main website here, and if you hover on it, it is showing us that there is a link that is embedded in this text. So let's say we want to remove it. So what we need to do is to just hover on it. That's like I have just hovered on it, right, like this. Then you'll see a small modal that pops up, and you'll see copy, edit link, and remove. You just click on remove, and once you do that, the link is gone, right? So this is basically how you edit, an hyperlink in your Google document, and how you remove the link that you've added in your Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.